This was Jasmine's second flash mob of the trip. She absolutely loved these activities and the fact that she got to go to the teen club to practice for them. The rest of the day was spent doing trivia contests and bingo, and trivia contests, and bingo, and more trivia contests. Jasmine and Grandma did get to do a towel animal folding class, which they said was a lot of fun. Hard to follow and hard to do sometimes, but they seem to really enjoy that. Good grandma-granddaughter time. I don't think Grandma was successful with this one.
Nothing for singing along at the end there. If you don't want to sing
again,
along,
more trivia.
Question portion, I guess.
Trivia number 2 on this
away.
time.
Another trivia.
But obviously the person closest to 15
and they won this
is
time.
the winner.
Dinner at Royal Court. It was Victoria's birthday. And they brought her a little dessert with the candle. One of our final dinners as a group. We had such a good time with all of our friends and family. And the conversations were plentiful every night, even though some people didn't know each other. There was never a lull in conversation, and we switched up partners almost every night. So Jasmine looked so beautiful. Just kind of stuck around and enjoyed the evening that night. Didn't go to the kids club. Wanted to be part of the adults. Walking to yet another trivia session. Sorry for the video being so shaky. I tried to fix it, but wasn't going to be able to fix it, but I thought it was a nice little video. Walking to yet another trivia.
Question number 1. What well-known comedian scored his first job selling guidebooks at Disneyland years before playing Mr. Banks in 2 live-action touchstones?
Alright, Jen. So you just won Ultimate Disney Trivia for the second time today?
Second time today, yeah.
How many times have you won trivia so far this cruise?
4. No, 3. 5. We did 4 medals.
Y'all don't even know how many times you've won. Alright, now in Oak Hills, watching Chiefs versus the Broncos on Monday Night Football. Wearing my Broncos shirt. Go Broncos. We're down. We'll see if we can come back.
That is the end of day 10. This is our last day at sea. Next up, Castaway Key. Thank you for watching. And now for us, it's back to the rat race.